started. Uh, First, we need to do back testing, right? So we were looking at this zone, right? And then looking at another zone somewhere 60-50 here to be retested. And I don't know what the news came out, but anyway, we got what we wanted and then a big run. So I went long on micro NQ. I shorted on micro NQ. I didn't get a chance to get into the call um, fast enough, but it's good. So you look at it, the right hand side is 60 minutes. Um, if I'm removing, if for the matter move, if we look at daily, 60 minutes, I keep calling 60 minutes about the pop, right? That's our signature entry. Might be cross over to the upside. And I give three targets upside. And this is the next level. And it's in line with the straight line resistance. A little different on ES because it's a little confusing here. Let me remove all this. This is measured move target could potentially go to 6,300. But let's delete all this so you can see. You did have a lower low. Like this time, ES dropped, made a lower low. NQ didn't. So now on the right hand side, we have downtrending channel. And we have to break out the 6134 in order for daily to say, okay, this is trying to break out. And 60 minutes, the same thing. So you are in a downtrending channel, low, lower, low, like high, lower, high, right? So now, even if 60 minutes popping here, we need to take this out and then go out. So this the target. It's not that far. It's only like 120 points. Um, Next 2-3 weeks, gonna start buyback. And then it's gonna be probably pushing for the market to hit that target. And also we need to keep an eye on this yield. The new Treasury Secretary Bassett, he said 10 years yield should come much lower to 3%, something like that. So J-Powell term ends until May. I'm pretty sure he will be gone. So March, we don't have meeting in February, and March is the next one. If he doesn't cut in March, he's definitely gonna be gone. If he does cut in March, then I still see him being gone. So keep an eye on those and look at SPY, the BLW. BLW 4 hour, just getting started. If you look at right hand side here, the moving area just crossed over. I don't really know this platform too well, but look at here. Price need to get above here, and then MACD and also the BLW just turning green on 4 hour. We have many experience on 4 hour when this turn green, usually have very nice run. NQ, look at weekly, it's just about to turn green. Q is a little bit more bullish, as I said. Qs didn't make a lower low. So when Q didn't make a lower low, it's slightly bullish. Look at weekly. Weekly BLW just turned green. When this happens, we could have a really up run. Look, every time weekly turning green, usually runs, right? I mean, you do back testing, small or big. So the Qs, I still think has room to go. So tomorrow, we almost hitting. Look at my chart. Like this is the level has to be above this level in order to be bullish on daily. And target one, target two, and target three. Like That's how I do my chart. I don't know how you guys do it, so I know exactly what to do. This is my line in sand. So it look like it could that be fake breakout and then come back all the way down? Yeah, possible, very possible. We still haven't made a higher high yet, right? In order to, this is higher low, higher high, we need to take out the last week high, 21,965. So we'll see whether we're getting what we wanted, but on 15 minutes at the moment, it looked like want to come back down some. It's good to be healthy. I really would like for this to come back down. I did say line in sand is 21670, but the big impulse move really started from 21,460. I wouldn't mind for this to come back down all this level and then run. It gives us a lot more room, right? So for now, all the mega tickers, um, really not much to do. Um, Microsoft, Google, um, Google hourly is about to get started. That's fine. One, two, and then three, right down. Amazon earning. I roughly look at it, it isn't really that bad. One, two, three, probably gonna come back down more if market drops. Microsoft, one, two, three, four, five, probably gonna go to 420. And that may mark, um, we made a lower low. When you make a lower low, it shows your trend structure trends. But in reality, as long as this pivot in my book, how I define trend, as long as this pivot low holds, I'm fine. But on weekly, it doesn't change. Still, 485. Meta is the one that is really super, super bullish, but it's still, look, one, two, what? Let's look at daily. Daily, we find already hit Netflix. Netflix, I gave target of 1017. Look at this, 1016.35. Is that crazy or what? This all done. Um, weekly done too. Netflix. Come on, give me. Look at this. How much room we could have. Um, seriously, I almost want to buy some lead puts on those stickers. And then NVIDIA gave us good run, right? NVIDIA, look at hourly, already hit target on the 5. Daily is getting started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So let's look at NVIDIA. We bought it at the bottom when everybody was scared, so scared. So this is NVIDIA daily chart. It really just retest this trend line breakout and to the T. And then now, I guess people say head and shoulder pattern. I never use that pattern. I don't believe in that pattern. It's just really retesting this. So 1, 2, probably, and then 3. Eventually, probably gonna go back to the high and 60 minutes. So we got in here, the very bottom, and then we also did call. That was a $15 run, pretty good. Tesla a little bit weak. Um, I think everybody's hating Tesla now because hating Elon, because what he did to the Dodge. But it's still, my line in sand is still being defended. So contraction 1, contraction 2, contraction 3, probably contraction once we have higher low, and it may still go. So I'm not super scared on this. I did not do Tesla. I just did a TSLL. Every time it drop a little bit, I just add some. Not huge position. Not huge position. So gold break out the trend line resistance. So this is 30 minutes. I see coming to 29.16 some and then come back down. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I gave demand zone here, but when I did see this reversal, and in the chat channel, I think I shared something like here, like this in the stock chat channel. I just did like 5 little micro Bitcoin. If you give me like, I don't know, $500. I have a disorder. I can't have 3, 4 positions on at the same time. So I was going to do crude oil. Crude oil, that's a beautiful long Omri. I think I pronounced his name right. He called out, and at the time it was 48, and now up 50 cents, 40 cents. So if you did 4 contract, you could have, but I can't do it. I have gold and I have a Bitcoin and I have an NQ. I'm like, I don't know, it's too much. I just close this trade, like take almost breaking even because my mental issue, it's not about the trade. I just can't handle too many things and then have to watch the market. So MIT, right? MIT, I've been calling this guy MIT. Um, I think I see a lot of calls coming in. So this clearly low, higher low, and then wave 5 target. I think in one of the summaries, market cap, I think I also sent a paper handwriting notes, which ones wave 5 up. I think this is one of them. And that meaning Tesla and REC, the Ferrari car, and whatever else could have more room to the upside, right? KRE, non-stop going up. My really, if they start to deregulate the banking, this should go to 72. And if this go to 72, DPST should go higher. DPST does have a decay, but I think still gonna go to at least 160 area, if not higher. We were lying here on December 20th. Look at this, like $40 run, guys. So what else going on? IGV software is because the DeepSeek, and then real estate. XHB today is like small red and not big deal. KRE hack and those are taking a back seat. So Affirm, this I gave a target is 72, and right now 71. I don't know how far I went up. I just took profit and left, went to the gym. I set limit order. I always set $1 or $2 lower than the target, so I can exit. Okay, so right now 72. That's it. That's the target. We went line here, 53 to 72. That's well, almost nearly 40%. So I did a quick summary. We had at least 40 tickers have 20 to 50% gain. And if you look at the loss tickers, how many loss tickers we have had in the last 2 months? I can't even count a handful. You guys may be able to remember more than I do, but I really don't think we had more than 5. AMD, we gave up long ago. My God, we are separated, but I can't leave it. And this is really purely Expedia, purely Wendy's hard work. She told me about it, and then I look at the wavy indicators and okay, let's go. It's good because daily clearly shows wave 5 target and 194 or 95. I forgot what was. EXPE. And this is in one day, guys, one day, right? What else? ARM, right? I look at ARM earning and I said, there's no way ARM earning should be down. And so the morning it was dropping, fake dropping a little bit. And so we caught the very bottom and went up $12. $12 on short DTE option is a big deal. We did a longer DTE, but if we did, like say tomorrow, we would have got 1000% by this. But I'm too chicken for that. I can't do that. BKNG, right? This is also one of our tickers. Look where it went. Daily upside target, I think 54. 54. We still have a lot of room to go. But see how far has gone, right? Yeah, I think that was it earning today? I totally forgot it was earning today. It actually hit almost 5,000. So now you know BKNG earnings is gonna go. It's gonna go up. The seasonality, I said this many times, seasonality this is favored. And Mali also seasonality in favor of this, right? This is 1 hour daily wave time target ticker, target 25, 22. It's been going up 500, 400 some point. Caterpillar, I bet this guy is gonna go. It dropped deeper than I would like, but I think the deeper it drops, the more we can load. This is really good. And the upside target is 420 something. I mean, look at here, it's getting ready to go. The daily dropping momentum is slowing down, oversold. I need to get above a little bit consolidation more, get above all the moving area, waiting for the moving area to come back down, and then tilting up. GWAY is another ticker that I gave. Upside target really high, 480 something. $100 to go, guys. I mean, how many tickers we have done like this last 2 months? Many. And your job is to pick which one fit in your portfolio and how much money allocation you give. Don't get too diluted. If you have $200,000, $300,000, just buy like 5 to 7 ticker. 50,000 per ticker is very reasonable. If you dilute too much, then it's just too insignificant. But you need to pick the ones wisely. Like I'll be honest, I don't do every ticker I share. Why is that? I'm not a bank. I don't have all the money on earth to buy every ticker. But why do I share? Because some of you might want in your portfolio, like whatever your portfolio may need that, right? Um, so AVZO, we did a little bit more today. Not as significant. We went up $4. $4 is okay. Yeah, MPWR. I don't even remember how long ago I gave that ticker, and it's been up pretty big. I think ARM is still gonna go. It's gonna 190 some. It's my upside target 195, 96. RBLX. I did this on the Discord voice. I look at the earning. It's really not bad. Look at this. I mean, this is $15 already 30%. But I do think this might come back down to retest the low. And UNH, right? UNH, I didn't share the put, but we already know, I said this many times, that this will come back down to retest recent low, 460. And big money, yeah, when they posted a flow, their big money bought put. I didn't do single line put, I just did very put spread. So in summary, there is still quite a few like Fubo. Um, there are so many tickers still in our watch list. And when market is this high, I'm really reluctant. This is the time it stresses me out because I'm really trying to curb the urge not to do short DT call options. I just don't want us to be caught. That's why we are doing um take take profit along the way. The shares below the TQQQ FNGU. So anyway, so for tomorrow, um, I'm really, for me, looking for shorting opportunities. Okay, so I'm not going to unconditionally just put a shorting order, but I need to watch it on 15 minutes. Let's say if 15 minutes give me a reversal down, I will short MES or MMQ. But if say ES hit this target in the next couple of weeks, I am going to watch to short full NQ and probably large scale too. So and probably will know more about in a month about Mexico and Canada tariff, right? So there was going to be some bad news coming out during the market down. So I repeat, continue to take profit along the way. And we still have some upside to go, right? Like D-Dog, ADSK, PNW, those tickers hasn't really hit our upside target yet. But doesn't mean they're gonna hit, they may be hidden on earning like team. So next thing we're gonna watch closely on those earnings. I'm pretty sure they will pop on earning. Um, so we can do day trading like this. If we get a chance, come back down, this is my line in sand, to retest the zone again, and then we can go long. But if we just do like this, there's really not much room to the upside runway. It's very choppy. Look at hard to do. We did a few times, but it's really not a lot of profit. Dell, I think it should be good for monthly. This is clearly uptrend, right? Made a little bit more consolidation because this is wide open. Let's look at weekly. Weekly also uptrend if this going back up, but price does need to go above this moving averages. So I can say probably gonna go somewhere like this. And it's a good place to load some shares actually on weekly. So it's clearly low, higher low. And naturally, I assume there is a higher low, higher high. However, we did have a high, lower high, low, higher low. So is it gonna do this? Make a lower high here and then come back down? Um, if we look at the right side, the new price development, I would say going back to 151 because the MACD oversold on weekly, MACD dropping momentum slowing down, very bullish week candle. So I'm rooting for long. If you have a shares, you can hold it. It's a really good price. Even it dropped to 80, it's not a lot of room. So another thing is when you do investment, okay, we bought that slightly earlier than the price slowing down. Okay, so like, okay, you can't expect price just turn up immediately. We're like doing investment, right? Not a sprint. Not everything we enter and immediately gonna just shoot up. We're not God, right? If we are God, that's, why would we trade? Just God, give me some money, be done, right? Instead of sitting on this in front of computer all day long. So anyway, so that's all I have. And I'll look at the flow, see what else gemstone we have, can give us some tomorrow. All right, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. We are going to start early. Tomorrow has unemployment on non-farm, so 7:30. I'll probably jump on 7:15. Yes. Okay. All right. Bye.